Hi beauties, it's Jean with Beauty and the Stamper, and it's time for an unboxing of the paper pumpkin kit. We are doing, what's it? Oh, it's not gonna show. Wrapped in Cheer, November 2025. So let's go ahead and check and see what is in here. I have not seen it yet. This is Mossy Meadow, is our ink color. And we've got our stamps, our photopolymer stamps. And then let's get this guy out of the way, open this guy up, and look at all those goodies. Okie dokie. Let's see what we've got in here. And it looks like it's boxes. Of course, if I flipped it over, we would see exactly what it is with the directions. But that's not fun. We'll look at the directions last. It's just so fun to get surprises in our mailbox each month. So let's go ahead and look. Okay. We have some lovely dots. They look like they're a glass dot. And then we have some mini glue dots and some dimensionals. Now, here we go. Let's see. We've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 of what looks to be boxes. Let's see. It's got a coating on the inside, so maybe it's like boxes for like cookies or something. It's definitely a box. So it looks like the box is gonna be about this big. I'm not gonna put it together. This is only the unboxing. If you want to join me as we put together, you can be a Paper Pumpkin subscriber of mine, or if you're on my team and you purchase your own paper pumpkin, you can do that. And so that's the size of the box. That's a nice treat size box. A gift card would fit in there. Maybe they're gift card boxes. We've got some twine. We have 8 different tags. Let's see, we have another 8 long tags, and then we've got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 10 little flags. We have bows that can be cut out, and they look like they're on well, they are definitely on a patterned paper, but I don't know if it's a watercolor paper. And then we've got a bunch of these little guys. They look to be all the same. They are 4 of them. So we have 16 little ephemera pieces with some wreaths and some holly and some mistletoe. So, oh, we've got color. What color do you want? You got choices apparently. All right, so we've got everything. We've got our stamps that shows us what the stamps are. So let's go ahead and look at that. We've got a gift for you, and these coincide with what these are, of course. So we've got a gift for you. Happy holidays, Merry Christmas. Sending a little Christmas cheer from our home to yours. And then a little wreath there. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 stamps, you guys. 8 stamps. And these images are at 100%, so you know exactly what you're getting, which means if you wanted to, like, say, use, I'm going to grab something real quick. If you wanted to use, like, a punch that you weren't sure if it was going to fit or not, you could stick it in here and see if that would fit. And it would fit both ways. Same with this. Well, the gift for you doesn't really fit. but at least you could see Merry Christmas fits very nicely. Happy Holidays will fit nicely. And the wreath does not, but look at what you could do. You could put a wreath going this way and a wreath going that way. So much fun when you have all of these punches and the paper that you can just check to see if it works. So, all right, so that is it. If you wanted to, oh, here we go. Oh, let's look at these. So pretty. You can make them just as tags if you want. You can use them with the boxes. There's so many different tags. You can make so many projects out of this. I am looking forward to making some alternatives. Of course, it gives you all the directions if you want to make it as is. And I'm going to look real quick to see if there's anything on here that says that it is food safe. I don't see that. So, but this has like a plastic coating, which I'm wondering if that makes it food safe. You could probably turn it inside out as well. Let's see if they did that. No, they didn't. But, oh, talk about getting your juices flowing. Paper Pumpkin really does that. So your creativity gets those juices flowing. So there we go. All right, beauties. I hope you have a wonderful day. If you are interested in getting the next month's Paper Pumpkin, or a subscription would be a great gift for somebody, just go to beautyandthestamper.com, click where it says Paper Pumpkin, and you can get more information and how to sign up there. All right, have a wonderful day. Have a great weekend, and I'll talk to you later. Bye.